How to fix Telegram only send message to mutual contact issue. If you are experiencing this issue, then it might related to privacy settings or account restrictions. This video is a search guide for you to help out with this issue. The very first thing is updating your Telegram application. Make sure you are using the latest version of Telegram. Go to the App Store on your device, then on the searching bar, search for Telegram and check for updates. If you see Update Now button over there, then simply hit on that to update to latest version. Once you do that, the very next step you need to do is simply navigate through settings on your device. Once you go through there, you will see general option if you scroll down a little bit. Once you found out, simply tap on general. There you will see iPhone storage option under general. Tap on iPhone storage and search for Telegram application. Under Telegram application, you will see two options. Among them, choose offload app and do offload app. Then reinstall your application and log into your account again, then your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.